Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I was going to post during Christmas, but then my camera broke, so I've been postponing it since then and on. But today we're going to be doing cool Rubik's Cubes patterns.
Like a Hellcat.
Okay, so first we're gonna go do the original Rubik's Cube pattern that everybody knows. Even people who don't know how to solve one of these knows. The checkerboard pattern. So you're gonna turn the middle twice, the long way, and then do it the short way, and then turn it on this axis too. And that makes this checkerboard pattern. And to solve it, you just do those moves again. Now, everyone knows that, but not everyone knows how to switch these centers. So, to switch the centers, you're going to move the center up once, and then move this center to the side, to the left, and then move this center this center down, and then move this center to the right. And now you have switched the centers. So this center went here, this center went here, this center went here, and it's the same here. This center went here, this center went here, this center went here. So now you have that. And to solve it, you just do that 2 more times. Okay, now that we switched all the centers, I'm going to show you how to switch only this layer of centers. So not the yellow and white sides are not switched, but only these are switched onto so that the color on the opposite side center is here. Let me show you what I mean. So you're going to turn this center to the left once, and then move this center up twice, and then move this center to the left, and move this center up twice again. And now, as you can see, the centers on this side and this side is switched, and the center on this side and this side is switched. Now to fix it, you're just gonna do that once more. Next, we're going to make it so that this line in the center is going to be switched with this line in the center, and the same on this side. This is going to be a little harder than the rest, so follow carefully. I'm gonna use standard. Never mind. I'm just gonna tell you what to do. You're going to move the right side up once, then move the top side up twice, to the right twice, to the left, and then you're gonna move this side all the way around twice, and then you're going to move it like this, and then go back, and then do this, and then go back. Like that. So you're going to have a B type shape right here and a 7 shape right here. And then you're going to turn it all the way around to the other side, so the 7 is on the left and the B is on the right, or the D in this case. Now you're going to do that series of moves again. So now, as you can see, this line in the center and this line in the center are switched. So to do it on this side, we're gonna have to do it again. with the solve side facing us. So now we have an orange B and a red 7, and we're going to turn it around. So there's an orange 7 and a red D. And do that again. So now, as you can see, the white face is solved, the yellow face is solved, but these lines are switched. So what we're doing here, actually, is we're switching this trio of pieces with this trio of pieces. So these are switched. And the same with these. Now we're gonna switch it back. Okay, so now we are going to do super flip, which means we are going to flip every single edge piece on this Rubik's Cube. It is possible. I'm going to show you a series of steps, and you're going to repeat it only three times. This is a series of steps. You're going to move the middle up, then turn the top layer, and then do that 4 more times. I mean 3 more times, sorry. Altogether, you're going to do that 4 times, and then you're going to turn the cube like this, and then like this, and then do that series once more, and then turn it like this, and then like this. This is the last time we're going to do this series. Okay, now it is done. Super flip. Every single edge piece is flipped. See? Now we're just going to repeat that to solve it. Next, we're going to do a pattern I don't really know the name of. We're just going to call it the arch. In this pattern, we're going to leave this side solved and this side solved and make an archway-like thing that goes around here, okay? While we're making the arch, it also makes another cool pattern I like to call the T, and we're going to start now. So we're going to have the white side facing up. You're going to move this side up once, and then this side down once. And then turn this face twice, like this. Then turn these two back. So now we have the B and the 7 from before. Now instead of turning it all the way around, we're just going to turn it once. Like this. We're going to go to the top. Turn this, and then turn this twice, turn it back. Now we have the arch, and if you move the top twice, you get the T. So let's move it back to the arch and fix it. To fix it, all you need to do is do the steps again. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We're going to be making a few more tutorials on how to do stuff with Rubik's Cubes in the future. and I won't stop uploading again unless it's something serious. Thank you. Bye.